Hello everyone, how you doing today? Here with a different laptop here, as you guys requested. I have an HP Pavilion X360 laptop here, and this one an iCore 3, 8th generation. So what I'm going to show you guys in this video, how to upgrade your RAM if you want to add an extra RAM. If you come with a 4 gig, you can go up to 8 gigs or 16. So let's get it started. First thing first, you want to flip it over. And you want to remove the 3 screws at the bottom front end. There we go. Once you remove the front screws, there's a few hidden screws at the back end. There's one right under the rubber leggings right here. So you want to lift up the rubber leggings with a guitar pick or something like this. Just a little bit, halfway through, and there's one screw right there. The other one is in the other side. Once you remove those two, you want to grab a really sharp needle or tweezers and remove this plastic cover, circle one in the middle, just like that. Next, remove the screw right underneath. Alright, the next step is really easy. You just gotta grab your guitar pick and you're gonna stick your guitar pick between the bottom cover and the top cover, just like that, and you're gonna twist it in a twist motion, like just like that, all around it. Do the front and a little bit to the sides, and just wiggle it around. It should come out pretty easy. And there we have it. This is the bottom cover. The ventilation is right over in the middle, as they should be to the side, because the fan is right there, so the ventilation should be only here. So they make it the air travel through. Anyway, down here we got the battery, the hard drive, the heatsink, and the RAMs. You won't be able to see it. You have to remove this tape right here. So just remove the tape. You do not need to remove the battery. Just make sure you don't drop your screwdriver right on top of the board. Next, you want to remove this cover right here. This is just kind of box type. You can remove it with your hand, or if you can't remove it with your hand, it slips out. Just stick a really sharp or flat thing on the bottom, on the corner. Let me show you guys. Right over here in the middle, right underneath. You want to lift it up slowly, the corners. And then now you can go ahead and lift up the cover straight up. And down here you're gonna see, you find your RAM. There's a one RAM stick right here, and the second stick is right over there. And if you want to upgrade, you just grab your new RAM. Just gonna stick it right in between. This is a DDR3. These are DDR4. So I don't have a DDR4 on hand right now. But if you had, you have to grab it just like this, and there's a cut right in the middle. Halfway through, you're gonna align the cut, and you're gonna put it down in 45-degree angle, and then you're just gonna push it down. You're gonna hear the click sounds. Those are those two clips that they just hold to it. Same thing for this one, 45-degree angles, and all the push down all the way down. And next, you wanna put the top cover back on. Make sure you align them. And just push it down. And just put the tape back on. You can trash this tape, you don't need it. So it's just right there to, I don't know what's the purpose of that. There's no purpose to this tape. Anyway, so once you got that in there, you want to put it down, the top cover, and just press on all the corners. You're going to hear the click sounds while you press. there you go. Now we're gonna put the 3 screws on the bottom. We're gonna tighten up the screws on the top, and that should be all. So the screws on the bottom, the middle screws, and the screws right underneath. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, click that thumbs up button. It really helps out. And if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them. You know where to leave them. And I appreciate if you guys subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna finish up putting the screws here.